Hi, my name is Toby. So I've been working as a credit controller here in Connect Credit Union for a little over 6 months. The Power BI solutions that the good people of fine-tuning analysis brought forth was so time-saving for myself in my role as a credit controller. From the initial interactions we had with them and me trying to distill the ideas that I had, sometimes it would be vague instructions I would give, Zoom calls and email threads going into details of what I wanted. And they were able to take my instruction and come up with a dashboard, as it were, that saves me time now in my role, gives me a one-stop shop of where to go to and get this data that is real life, up-to-date, correct, clear and transparent. The people at Fine-Tuning Analysis, especially dealing with Sean, were very great in terms of response to the instructions that we had. Like I said, the first regime was to collate all the data into one place, and then we took it a step further by going into the emails. Again, like I said, one of my core functions as credit controller is contact. Contact is very important to me. So prior to the kind of Power Automate function that I have now, I would manually, and as you can imagine, go over, so let's say the 4 weeks cohort of cases would be maybe 50 to 100 accounts that I would physically have to take in their email address, put into my Outmail and send an email. I sent, Sean, who, is quite responsive. I sent Sean and said, this is the issue we had. And then Sean came up with a few scenarios. And again, it's very collaborative. And that's another remarkable thing about them, is the collaboration in it, wherein we went back and forth and were able to see how to automate emails and make it in such a way that one email is sent on that particular cohort. I can't overemphasize how much time that has shaved off my day to give me more room to even be on a call and do other things that my function requires. Before the regime we have now with fine-tuning analysis, I would spend from 2 to 3 days, sometimes even 4 days, because obviously, remember, I'm doing other things apart from the reporting to collate these data. So that has saved me even some places close to a week in a month, if you put that in perspective, because of how ready, how transparent, how in one place the data is. Even the Power Automate side of things, saves me at least a day because of, how manual and tasking it is. Because you have to get the email, it's the exact email, put it in then, put your subject and send the message. But what we have now is it automates it. It just tells us this is the logic we've already told Power Automate, having gotten that logic right, and it does that automatically. So it saves from 2-3 days up to a week for me. So it's really, 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 really remarkable. The remarkable thing about fine-tuning analysis and how they craft the reports that they give, it's very user-friendly in the sense of it's not jargon-based, it's simple, it's minimalist. This is, if you're looking at a screen, it tells you exactly what it is. It's not hidden behind one thing and another thing. And I think that's what Sean and I kind of found common ground on, is making it as clear and as simple as possible. So yes, in terms of user-friendliness, I find it very user-friendly. I just click a button and I know exactly what I want. Even if it's a snapshot or even if it's an analysis I want to make further, it's clear and easy at one place for me. In Connect Credit Union, we believe in collaboration, and I think it's a common ground that we find with fine-tuning analysis, because on those calls and those emails, time is taken to kind of find common ground and crystallize the ideas or the instructions that I would have from an expert function role, and then obviously the technical function that Sean would have. there once we meet and collaborate and synergize those ideas, we're able to come up with something, that is fit for purpose. Power BI has been amazing to my role, from time saving to clarity of reporting. I am very excited for the future between Connect Credit Union and fine-tuning analysis, and I can't wait for what is in store in future. Thank you.